Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Instagram stories. How to create Instagram stories like pro. So let's open up Photoshop, and also I'm going to use a brush preset, and you can also download that from the link in the description below. So now we have opened up Photoshop. Let's create a document, and that will be like 1920 1080 and the resolution is 72. Obviously we are making it for web, so the 8-bit, and yeah, background will be white. So let's create. Yeah, oops, sorry, this rotated 90 degree. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's create a something like headline or the first story cover, which is going to tell the context of the story. Now let's press B for brush. Here you can see I'm using this brush. The name is Torn Paper Brush. Now just make a layer mask on this layer. Now take any brush, which shape you like. Now just the layer mask is white, so everything in white will show and everything in black will hide. So just make it bigger. Yeah, that's good. Now let's hide it like that. Yeah, it's pretty much good. Now let's create another solid color layer and make it gray. Take it in between. Now use the same brush on this layer mask also and make it like this. Here is something left. Yeah. Now adjust the color and make the opacity, okay, and now just decrease the opacity of the layer, and this will look like a shadow. Now you can write whatever you want, your context. Yeah, I'm like rain. Now whatever you want you can write it down. Okay, so now save it like Alt Control Shift W. Now make it JPEG, make it 1080. Yeah, convert to sRGB is checked. Now press export all. Complete export. Let's create a new layer like rain story. Now save it here. Okay, now we're going to create another, like just take an image. Yeah, this is good. And now take another image like this, and now we're gonna create a base and a border. So that totally depends on you, whatever you want to do. You can do so many things with this. I'm just showing you some simple tricks. You can play around. You can play around. Now see, this is also dark and this is also dark, so it's not going properly. So just come here, let's make a brightness adjustment layer and now increase the brightness. See, it's looking good now. Okay, so this is another, and now save it like same, Alt Shift Control W. Same settings will be applied here also, and now go to the folder you want to save and just save. It should be number 2. Okay, and you also create something like that. Okay, and now create something like this. Okay, so now make a mask on this brush. Now rotate it like that, and this looks good. Yeah, now come here, make a, and also create a stroke like this. See. Okay, so now just save this one also like same. Yeah, and I want to write so much in my stories, so you can do something like that, like you just put a base on your story. Yeah, now just create a mask and go into this, and I am using the brush I like. You can also use another brush, there is no restriction, just use your creativity. Yeah, now you can type anything here and it will be look amazing. So keep creating, use your creativity. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment if you have any question or queries, and stay tuned. See you in the next videos.